Welcome to Straight to the Point. Each Tuesday, we take the heart of Monday's confession and tackle one powerful shift that could have changed the outcome. Today, we're looking at this hard truth. Metrics don't matter if they don't change what you do. Here's the core insight. Data is only useful when it creates movement. You know, business owners love the idea of dashboards, KPIs, tracking sheets, weekly reviews, and all of that is fine. But unless those numbers are being interpreted and acted on, they're just decoration. It's like checking your weight every morning but never changing your diet. The real shift is moving from data collection to data conversation, from what's the number to what needs to change. Now, you may ask yourself, why does this matter? Well, metrics are supposed to create motion. And when you're measuring things and not responding, you're building a false sense of control. That's dangerous, especially if you think your numbers are telling you a story when they're actually hiding one. Ignore this, and you'll find yourself perfectly informed and painfully stuck. It's like Nathan in this week's confession. He had the reports, he just didn't do anything with them. And by the time he realized the product line was stalling, it was already too late. Now, if you haven't watched this week's confession yet, it'll give context to everything we're covering today. And I've linked it in the description below. If you want to see how this applies at a deeper level, make sure you catch tomorrow's podcast episode. We're breaking down how to go from metric paralysis to movement that matters. This is one of those moves that separates owners who grow from those who grind. Follow along this week and don't miss the strategic briefing this weekend. It brings the entire theme together in one place. So I'll see you next time. Until then, lead smart and stay focused on the shifts that drive real results.